Hello viewers, I'm Louie, and currently I'm in Cibodas Botanical Garden, located in Cianjur Regency, West Java Province. And this botanical garden is quite special because this very botanical garden sits on the foothill of Gede-Pangrango mountain range. It also inside the national park, specifically the Gede-Pangrango National Park. How cool is that? Okay, so currently I'm in front of a small waterfall. Although I don't know for this small waterfall is actually cool, but it is pretty, isn't it? Don't you agree? And I can feel a bit of water splash and also some of breeze, although interestingly it's on my feet. Makes me cool a little bit. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so the path where I'm walking right now is just your normal boring path. But when it's rainy season, especially in this part, well, it turns into the cascade of waterfalls, especially in this pit. Just look. How cool is that? The space that turns into an exquisite cascade of waterfalls. Okay, it's a bit slippery, I have to say, but it looks very, very interesting, and it's cool. Alright, currently I'm walking through Black Forest, sort of. The vibe looks like it. Basically this is just an ascending path with rows of so many huge pine trees left and right, and as I said, they are huge. Probably they age maybe at least 50 years because it's so massive. And also, if you're wondering why I'm bringing umbrella, it's because actually it's drizzling outside. Although in here it's not as wet as outside of the path, so I'm fine without opening the umbrella. And actually this pine forest house some wild animals such as red squirrel and some monkeys. Okay, when you finally arrive at the end of this path, you'll find these two cottages. Actually, it looks like a log cabin, but it's actually just ordinary inn or cottage, and you can actually stay a night or two in here. Just book reservation just like any other hotels, and boom, you can sleep in those exquisite cabin. Yeah, I have to say these two looks very pretty. I'm not gonna lie, looks very, very beautiful. and with the scenery of the Cipanas town right there. It's breathtaking. Okay, so now it's 4 p.m. and the botanical garden is about to close, so we will walk back to our car and go home. Okay, so the rain has stopped and the sun shines again, and this will be a lovely walk to the car park.